my neck is going to go right here, right? And I'm going to continue to form my sculpture, but also have the neck on. So it doesn't just stay here magically. You have to tape it on and well, because you know, you don't want it to fall off. So I'm just going to start bringing pieces of tape, again, setting one edge down, one side down, and kind of pulling it up, really pressing down that masking tape. If the masking tape is hanging off, it's actually going to make your sculpture look bad, right? It will look like a big weird bump on your sculpture. So you don't want unnecessary bumps coming off of it. So, you know, you really want to make sure you press it down. So you can see I'm starting to secure the neck on. This isn't also secured yet. I'm still working on it. Okay, so it's pretty much on there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of tape going between the neck and the head at this point. And then I'm going to add a little bit more paper to continue to work on the form of the head, to get it to be more like my sketch. All right, so here is my armature. It doesn't look exactly like my sketch, but I'm still very happy with the shape of the head and the shape of the beak. I have the idea, right? It's maybe not curving down as much as I had originally planned, but the beak is still curving down, so it's okay if your actual sculpture isn't exact, but I want to try to get it in the ballpark at least, and I want you to take a close look at the outside of this. So there are, of course, some bumps here and there, right? It's not 100% even, but the majority of, like it's pretty sturdy, right? If I'm wiggling it, I don't see anything flapping around. And the majority of the bumps and things are covered up with masking tape. Nothing, no edges or no pieces of masking tape are hanging off. The neck is attached on. You have to have it this secure before you can even think about the next step. Okay, so it has to be really, really secure, just like this, before you can even think about that next step. And so the next step is to begin with plaster strips.